Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate our ev.com for AI transcription to Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate our ev.com for AI transcription in Premiere Pro, start by opening your Adobe Premiere Pro application. Ensure you have an active rev.com account. Navigate to the rev.com website and sign in with your account credentials. Once logged in, look for the API section in your account settings. Here, you'll find your API key. Copy your API key for later use. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select Extensions and then choose Rev from the drop-down options. In the Rev panel that appears, click on the Settings icon. Paste your API key into the designated field. Click Connect to link your rev.com account with Premiere Pro. After a successful connection, you can start using the transcription feature. Import the video file you want to transcribe into your project. Select the video clip on your timeline. With the clip selected, go back to the Rev panel. Click on the Transcribe button to begin the transcription process. Choose your desired language and other transcription options if prompted. Once you click to start transcription, our rev.com will process your video. This may take a few moments depending on the length of your clip. After processing is complete, the transcribed text will appear in your Rev panel. You can now drag and drop the transcriptions onto your timeline. Adjust the timing and placement as needed to sync with the video. You have now successfully activated and used our ev.com for AI transcription in Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.